So in this video, we'll be looking at how to connect to Digital Locker from your workstation or from any Mac workstation connected to the internet. So starting from the Finder, we're going to go to the Go menu and use the Connect to Server or Command K, and we're going to type in the address digital-locker.design.yorku.ca, and then we're going to hit connect, and from here we'll see a number of SharePoints that we have access to. By default, your home directory will be highlighted as the selected choice. You have course group folders located in this directory or this SharePoint. All full-time instructors are located in FT-YSDN instructors. All part-time folders will be located in PT-YSDN instructors. You also have access to staff folders as well as other student folders, and basically these folders are organized by the last digit of a student's student number. So if your student number ends in, let's say, 7, you will find your folder within the directory of YSDN student_7. I'm just going to go to full-time instructors for a second so that we can take a look at what you see when you connect. As you can see here in the FT-YSDN instructors, we have a listing of all the folders of all the full-time instructors in the program, and we can go into any one of these folders and look at the contents of it. For example, if you were taking a course with David Cabianca, he may have information in his public folder available for you to download. As you can see here, the red indicators indicate that these folders are locked and you don't have access to see them. The only available folder is the public folder, and within that you'll also find oftentimes a Dropbox. So if you're submitting work to one of your instructors, they might ask you to drop it in a Dropbox in their account. And that's the method you would go and find that folder. As you can see here, also the directory, the SharePoint has been mounted on the desktop so that you can go into it again and find whomever you need to access. We can use the same connect to server command, connect once again. For example, part-time instructors, you may need to get to someone else's account, maybe an instructor like Gary LaRue. Same principles apply here. Everything is locked with the exception of the public folder, and within that oftentimes a Dropbox that is open and available for you to drop information or projects in. When dropping projects into the Dropboxes, I would recommend creating a folder with your name and putting any files into that folder before dropping them into the Dropbox. That way your information can be distinguished from everyone else's in the Dropbox. Oftentimes instructors will have specific instructions as to how they want the folder named so that they can catalog them and find them in their Dropbox properly. In order to log out from a connection to Digital Locker, you would simply grab one of the SharePoints that are mounted on the desktop and drag them to your trash can or eject button here as it changes to, and eject that, and that will disconnect you from the server. It will not trash this information or delete it. So once again, just to review, we can go to the connect to server command, connect here, where we're given a bunch of SharePoints, and similarly with any of your colleagues in the program, you can go into one of the student accounts, and similarly you will find that they have a similar folder structure with a public space Dropbox available for you to submit work or share information amongst each other, typically done in the public folder. So make sure you check out the rest of our videos located at the Tech Info site at design.yorku.ca/tech_info.